This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performances do not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk. There's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the market wrap for February 27th, 2007. In the news today, the Dow Jones had its biggest one-day drop since September 2001 on a decline in the Chinese stock market. Orders to factories for big-ticket manufacturable durable goods dropped in January by the largest amount in 3 months, with the weakness led by a huge drop in demand for commercial airplanes. The Commerce Department reported that orders fell 7.8% in January compared to December. It was the biggest one-month drop since an 8.1% plunge in October and was far larger than Wall Street had been expecting. Sales of existing U.S. homes rose 3% to a seasonally adjusted rate of 6.46 million in January, the highest in 7 months. It was the largest percentage gain in 2 years. Sales were down 4.3% year over year. Inventory of unsold homes on the market rose 2.9% to 3.5 million in 6.5 months supply. The median sales price fell 3.1% year over year to $210,000. The conference board said U.S. consumer confidence ignored analyst expectations and strengthened again in February. This is the highest level of confidence since before 9/11. The Consumer Confidence Index rose to 112.5 in February from a revised 110.2 in January. In earnings news, Target Corporation said its fourth quarter profit rose 19% as it benefited from a longer quarter that covers key holiday sales period. Target said it earned $1.12 billion or $1.29 per share, up from $939 million or 106 cents a share during the same period last year. Sirius Satellite Radio, which has agreed to acquire its rival XM Satellite Radio Holdings, reported a narrow loss for the fourth quarter as revenues more than doubled. Sirius had a net loss of $245.6 million or 17 cents a share. Analysts were expecting a loss of 19 cents per share on revenues of $173 million. TXU Corporation said fourth quarter profits climbed 33% as a decrease in operating costs offset weaker revenue. The company, which agreed this week to be acquired for $32 billion in a record private buyout, said net income grew to $475 million or $1.03 a share from $356 million or 74 cents a share in the year earlier. Economic reports scheduled for Wednesday include the gross GDP, Chicago PMI, new home sales, and Energy Department oil inventories. On earnings news, we have Martha Stewart Living, Dollar Tree Stores, Westwood One, PetSmart, Gemstart TV Guide, Liberty Media, Long's Drugs, Sprint, Washington Post, and Limited Brands. This has been the market wrap for February 27th, 2007.